Let's explore the advanced find command. You will learn to master complex searches using exec and combining conditions. The find command allows you to locate files based on multiple criteria and conditions. You can execute commands on found files automatically using the exec option. It also facilitates combining conditions using and, or, and not operators. The find command is a powerful tool for searching files and directories in a Linux system based on various criteria. The basic syntax for the find command is find, followed by the path, options, and then the expression. For example, to find all files with the extension .txt in the current directory, you would use the command find name *.txt. To find files modified in the last 7 days in the /home directory, you would use the command find/home time-7. Common search criteria includes name to search by file name, type to specify files or directories, where F stands for files and D stands for directories, size to find files larger than a specified size, for example, 10 megabytes, time to find files modified within a certain number of days, and user to find files owned by a specific user. Why use the advanced find command? You can perform complex searches with multiple conditions, automate actions on found files, and combine it with other commands for powerful workflows. The exec option allows you to execute commands on files found by the find command. The basic syntax for the exec option is find, then the path, criteria, exec, the command, and \. Here, is replaced with the file name and \, marks the end of the command. For example, to list the details of all .log files in the /var/log directory, use the command find/var/logname *.log exec ls lh \. To delete all empty files in the current directory, use the command find type fempty exec rm \. It's important to note the difference between exec command \, which runs the command once for each file, and exec command \+, which runs the command once with all files as arguments. Here are some practical examples of using the exec option. To change the file permissions of all shell scripts in the /scripts directory to make them executable, use the command find/scripts name *visit exec chmod +x \. To find all Python files in the current directory containing the word error, use the command find name *.py exec grep l error \. To find and compress all log files in the /var/log directory older than 7 days, use the command find/var/logname *.log time+7 exec gzip \. To find and copy all JPG files from the /pictures directory to a backup directory, preserving the original directory structure, use the command find/pictures name *jpg exec c parents /backup \. The parents option preserves the directory structure when copying the files. You can use logical operators to create complex search criteria by combining multiple conditions. The and operator, represented by matches files that satisfy both conditions. This operator is the default when no operator is specified. For example, find type fa size +1m finds files that are both of type file and larger than 1 megabyte. The or operator, represented by o, matches files that satisfy either of the conditions. For example, find name *.jpg o name *png finds files that are either JPG or PNG images. The not operator, represented by exclamation point, negates a condition, matching files that do not satisfy it. For example, find type f name *.txt finds files that are not text files. Here is a pro tip. Use parentheses to group conditions and control precedence. Remember to escape them with backslashes. For example, find namestar.jpg, onamestar.png backslash, a size plus 500K, finds JPG or PNG images that are also larger than 500 kilobytes. Let's explore some complex find examples. To find JPG or PNG files in the /pictures directory larger than 5 megabytes and create thumbnails, use the command find/pictures name star.jpg oname star.png size plus 5m exec convert resize 200 by 200 thumb.jpg . To find files in the /home/user directory modified in the last 24 hours, excluding logs, backups, and files in the /tmp directory, use the command find/home/user type fmtime-1 \namestar.log onamestar.bach opath *m/**. To find files in the /var/www directory owned by the Apache user with insecure permissions, use the command find/var/www user ptype f \perm o equals w o perm g equals w exec ls l \. Enhance your find command with these powerful exec techniques. To use exec with shell functions to execute complex shell commands with multiple operations, use the command find. Type fname star.txt, exec echo processing, $1, WL $1, grep error, $1, sh \. Note that the sh passes the file name as $1 to the shell script. To use exec with multiple commands, chaining them for each found file, use the command find. namestar.log exec c/backup/\, exec gzip \. Each exec operates independently on each found file. To use exec with \+ for efficiency, processing multiple files in a single command execution, use the command find. namestar.jpg exec tar rvf images tar \+. The \+ terminator passes all file names as arguments at once. To use exec with zargs for more control, use the command find. namestar.mp3 print 0 zargs -0 and 10 mp3 info. Print 0 and -0 handle file names with spaces safely. Let's discuss performance considerations and how to optimize your find commands for better performance and efficiency. Optimize search order by placing the most restrictive tests first to reduce the number of files processed. For example, find type fname star.log time plus 30 foot. The type test is faster than name matching, which is faster than checking modification time. Limit search depth by using max depth to avoid searching unnecessarily deep. For example, find/home max depth 3 name star.onf. This prevents find from recursing into deeply nested directories. Use exec with \+ instead of \, to run commands more efficiently. For example, find namestar.txt, exec grep error \+. This runs grep once with all files as arguments instead of once per file. Prune directories by skipping directories you don't need to search. For example, find path./node_modules prune oname star.js print. This skips the node_modules directory entirely. Here are some real-world use cases and practical applications of advanced find commands in system administration and development. For security auditing, to find files with insecure permissions that could pose security risks, use the command find/etc type fperm o equals w not path /etc/cups/* exec ls l \. For system cleanup, to find and remove temporary files older than 30 days, use the command find/tmp/var/temp type fmtime plus 30 exec f \. For code analysis, to find all JavaScript files not following naming conventions, use the command find/srcname star.js. Name star.component.js. Name star.service.js. Exec echo non-standard. \. For deployment preparation, to find and remove development files before deployment, use the command find \. Name star.test.js. Own star.spec.js. Own __ test. Own node _ modules \. Exec \. Let's summarize the key takeaways and best practices. The exec option allows you to perform actions on found files. Logical operators such as the, O, and exclamation point help create complex search criteria. Use parentheses \\, to group conditions and control precedents. Optimize performance by ordering tests from fastest to slowest. Use the \+ for better efficiency with multiple files. Here are some best practices. Test first by adding print to verify your find command matches the expected files before using destructive operations. Always quote file name patterns to prevent shell expansion. Handle spaces by using print 0 with zargs -0 for file names containing spaces. Limit depth by using max depth to avoid unnecessary directory traversal. Prune directories by skipping irrelevant directories with path. Prune. For further resources, consult man-find, the GNU Find documentation, and the Linux command line cookbook. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.